Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to share your location on iPhone now. You can share your location on your iPhone with friends, family or contacts using Find My or Messenger or even Google Map. Now, if you want to share your location with your family or friends but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to share the location with your friends, it is a very easy step. So you need to simply open the Find My app on device, which is like the blue dots and the green behind it, and here you need to tap on start sharing location or share my location. So here you will see the option of people, device, items and me. So here you will need to click on the option of plus and you will see the option of share my location. So you may simply select the contacts which you want to share and you need to select how long you want to share the location for. You must choose the option of 1 hour until the end of the day or indefinitely. So after selecting the person you want to share the location with, you need to tap on the option of send. So you can also share the location like this. Currently I have shared my location and as you can see my friend is currently with me, so you will see the number of devices which is here. So you may also share the location via message. You may also open the message app on a device and you need to open the conversation and you need to select the person you want to share the location with and you need to tap on the contact's name and tap on the send my current location, which will be at the very plus icon. So you may click on it and you need to scroll down person, and after doing all of it you'll be able to share the location with your friends. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.